Hello and welcome back guys. Hope you all are doing well. Let's discuss the route plan for today's journey. Presently I am at Gave Gully, a place nearby Dandeli. From there I'll be going to a checkpost which is very close to my place, and using this jungle route which is allowed, or people are allowed to travel in between morning 6 to evening 6. From there I'll be going to Ulvi, and the destination for the today is Hanging Bridge. So we have reached the checkpost which I was talking about. The guard opened the gate and allowed me in, but also warned me to be careful as I was the first person to cross the post. This is the same route for Sinteri Rocks. Yesterday I had been here, and that is the entrance for the Sinteri Rocks. So I found this viewpoint. Let's go up and see how is the view from the top. The checkpost what we entered earlier, this end is the exit, and we have to go left if we have to reach Ulvi. I actually had to take the cement road, but the guard misguided me and asked me to take the route what I am going now, and said it is the nearest one, but this was not the correct route. Later on I discovered it by talking with the local guys which were walking downside. Those people who helped me also guided me with the correct route towards the Hanging Bridge, and here I am on the cement road which ended very soon, and here the actual fun begins. This continued for next 45 minutes, and then I reached at one point where I was actually confused whether I'm heading towards a right direction or not. What helped me in this jungle was offline maps which I had downloaded prior to a journey. So you guys can see that I am using my phone, and literally there was no network, but still these maps helped me to find a right path, and within a few moments I was able to reach a hanging bridge. Look at the route you guys might have witnessed so far. None of them were crossing me or were coming from the other side of the road, so it was only me and Western Ghats and this road.